Going to a new city, figuring my way out in the mountains, trying to figure out, who I wanted to be and, how am I really going to make my mark on this world? My name is Danielle Gifford, and I'm an MBA graduate from the Haskayne School of Business. If you would have asked me 6 years ago if I would, be leading a team in artificial intelligence, I would have never thought that day would have come. And, here I am today. If you're wanting to work in tech, I think the time is now, and the Haskayne MBA is a perfect portal for you to kind of leverage insights and, really kind of get connected in the space. It'll connect you not only to mentors, it'll provide you those hands-on experiences, and it'll really kind of allow you to see things on a broader scale of, what are the next applications, what are the next frontiers, and how can you play a part in that? The Haskayne MBA really interested me because of the ability to work full-time. It also interested me because of the diversity in some of the classes. With the CDL course in particular, you're working hands-on with a company, as they're raising real seed funding, as they're adding people to their team, as they're, creating their boards. That's real tangible experience that you just can't get anywhere else. What you learn in school and what you do in the job are two very different things, but that definitely wasn't the case with Haskayne. It's that real integrated learning that allowed me to kind of be successful in my role and also allowed me to kind of launch my purview into, the world of tech. If you're feeling, stuck in your role and you're looking for something more, doing your MBA can help you kind of get out of that. It can open your eyes to all of these different opportunities, and it'll also kind of, reignite that spirit. And that's definitely something that happened with me through Haskayne.